In today's news headlines, a youth has been charged for pouncing on a man with a dangerous tool. A youth of 17 was charged on Tuesday for a shellings incident that took the life of a man along East Road in the vicinity of 6th Street in Kingston in July 2021. The youth is charged with taking the life of another, illegal possession of a dangerous tool, and illegal possession of accessories. His court date has not yet been finalized by the police team. The youth has been in custody since his arrest on Saturday, July 24th, and was officially charged on Tuesday after a question and answer interview. The police report that 40-year-old Winston Muir, also called Baggie, was attacked on July 13th. It is reported that at approximately 11:35 p.m., residents heard loud sounds and alerted the police. Upon the arrival of the police team, Mr. Muir was seen lying on the ground with multiple holes to his upper areas. The scene was processed by the police and Winston was removed to a location for an examination. The youth was subsequently taken into police custody. In our second news story, a St. Catherine Higgler has been charged following the discovery of an illegal dangerous tool. The police mentioned that they recovered a Smith & Wesson dangerous tool with accessories containing 5.9mm sets during a search of the premises of the accused. A St. Catherine Higgler known as George King was arrested and charged by the police on Tuesday following the discovery of an illegal dangerous tool at his home on Morrison Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. 39-year-old King, also known as Charlie, was charged with illegal possession of a dangerous tool and accessories. His court date is being arranged by the police team in St. Catherine. According to police reports, close to 4:50 a.m., members of the Specialized Operations Branch conducted a targeted operation in the area. During a search of Mr. King's premises, a Smith & Wesson 9mm dangerous tool, along with accessories, was found on his veranda. King was subsequently taken into police custody. The police mentioned that he gave a statement, and after that he was charged. Repairs to address the breakaway along Gordontown Road in St. Andrew are almost complete. In February, the cabinet approved approximately $187 million to fix the section of the roadway that collapsed after heavy rains associated with Hurricanes Eta and Zeta last November. Work on the roadway began shortly after, following the contract approval. It was mentioned that residents would be able to move freely on the roadway once again after the installation of a drainage system. The repairs to the Gordontown Road breakaway are almost complete, and they mentioned that they're on target as promised. They should be completed by the end of August 2021. It was mentioned that they're completing the installation of a drainage system that will ensure the preservation of the infrastructure. They said that they will be moving freely and safely again very soon. The section of the road, which is located along the Papine to Red Light Corridor, failed in the vicinity of Stand-Up Hill following the heavy incessant rainfall late in 2020. As a result of the breakaway, some residents living in nearby communities opted to walk or drive by on motorcycles on the remainder of the roadway that was left. However, motorists had to use the hazardous detour through Savage Pen or other alternative routes. The National Works Agency had disclosed that the project would entail the construction of a retaining wall in order to reinstate the roadway. The design calls for the construction of a 71-meter retaining wall to hold the road embankment at the affected location, which will form the major part of the works. The retaining wall will comprise of both random rubble, masonry, and a reinforced concrete structure, which together will be approximately 21.5 meters high. A number of site visits and geological reviews had to be conducted at the site in an effort to inform the current solution, as the road embankment is located on unstable soil. A flash flood warning has been issued for low-lying and flood-prone areas of St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon and Manchester. The Meteorological Service also said that a flash flood watch is in effect for low-lying and flood-prone areas of all other parishes, including Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, and St. Elizabeth, as Jamaica is being affected by rains and thunderstorms associated with an area of low pressure approximately 322 kilometers south of the island. A flash flood warning means flooding has been reported or will occur shortly, while a flash flood watch means that flash flooding is possible and residents are advised to take precautionary measures. Stay informed by listening to further releases from the Meteorological Service and be ready to take quick action if flooding is observed or if a warning is issued. According to the Met Service, the flash flood alerts will remain in effect until 5 p.m. on Thursday. It was further mentioned that moderate to heavy showers and thunderstorms will affect sections of eastern and central parishes throughout the night. It was said that it is forecast for mostly cloudy conditions with periods of showers and thunderstorms, which could be heavy at times, to continue to affect most parishes, with the greatest intensity over eastern and central parishes throughout Thursday into Friday. The Met Service mentioned that strong gusty winds are also likely in the vicinity, as well as thunderstorms along coastal areas of southern parishes. Flash flooding is therefore likely over low-lying and flood-prone areas of these parishes. It was further noted that environmental conditions are conducive for the development of a weather system, and a tropical depression or storm is expected to form later on Thursday or Friday. The system is projected to move northwestward over the northwestern Caribbean Sea near the Cayman Islands tonight, near Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico on Friday. The Meteorological Service has said that they will continue to monitor the situation across the island. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and remember to stay safe wherever you are. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.